Greetings and good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. It is, of course, LL here, and today we are going to be diving into the top 5 Solana faucets. And as a reminder, I do have a faucet playlist in case you're interested in other coins as well. But today we're going to be solely focusing on Solana. As a recommended wallet, I do lean towards Phantom. You can get it on your web browser, also on mobile devices, and basically allows you to stake, send, hold NFTs, tokens, and get access to most of the DeFi applications in the space as well. It is kind of the go-to-go Solana wallet, at least for me. But there's other options, do your research on them, yada yada yada. But let's get jumped into it. So the first faucet I'm going to be featuring here is Stakely, and this is a more peculiar type of a faucet, kind of, made for testing, I guess, for developers. It supports multitude of different EVM chains, and also you have a bunch of chains from the Cosmos network like Lum, Iris, and Bitcana, Region, Desmos, and etc. So basically, it is kind of like allowing people to get transactions for, gases and stuff like that. That's kind of what people use this for, because this is not exactly like a grindable faucet. It's something that we request for one time, although these payments are a lot more higher in general compared to other faucets. For one single payment, this is pretty good. And Solana is one of these coins that is supported here. You will be requiring a Twitter for this. So basically, you will be putting out a tweet with ID request with your, you basically put in your wallet here, complete CAPTCHA, then you click verify, and then you basically, obviously you have to put your wallet address here as well. So copying it here, blah, 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 and then verify. And now you would basically have to tweet this out. You can also keep your Twitter name private in case you don't want to see the faucet history here. But basically, it's a very nice tool because you're able to verify when the transactions go, and they are basically sent it out immediately. And I think there's some type of a timer in this, more than 24 hours. So this is not really made for hourly grinding as some of the other faucets are kind of designed. This is just there to kind of help them out. Stakely is like a node provider in a lot of these networks, and basically they allocate some of their money to basically build out this faucet. You can set them as a delegate in many different platforms, and I think there is Stakely, for example, and they offer, I think they operate on multiple, as you can see, multiple different chains here. We got Terra, we got Phantom, Cosmos, etc. But something to look into. Now let's move into our next faucet here, which is called Allcoins. Something that has been around for a long time. It's an old school faucet with basically a lot of ads though, but it's solid though. It has a referral system. It has an exchange system, so in case you have another currency, like let's say we wanted to get Solana, we can start exchanging our other currencies here. So I can convert my Doge into Solana. I can sell when I'm accruing referral fees. I can just convert everything into a one coin and then basically cash out. There are a normal faucet and also auto faucets, which basically run around for multiple times. So you wait 2 or 5 minutes and you get a one auto claim. You have gambling and mining here, and there's a bit of pop-ups in this website. It's problematic. They also have one of the last remaining web miners here as well. So in case you want to put your work PC or computer at school, maybe that's a good way. It's not like super profitable per 1 million hash, but who knows? It might be, for your situation, good opportunity. But once again, a decent Solana faucet. Moving on, we have Faucet Pay, and this is more like a hub for payments that a lot of other faucets use. Not too long ago, they started to support Solana. And what you can do once you have registered the website, you go to user dashboard, and then, no, actually not there. You're going to be going into Earn, Faucet List, then choosing Solana, and you get a multitude of different websites which are paying you in Solana. There's probably 50 of them. You can look out how much they have paid this day, how much they have still in balance, and basically these are off-chain transactions. So basically these sites own money in the Faucet Pay channel, and they get basically distributed into your wallet here. So that's why they're able to like pay 2 satoshis every click or something like that, because it's like, you know, when it's off-chain, this allows you to do good things with faucets, for instance. But yeah, the withdrawal minimum for Solana doesn't seem to have any. Okay, here we go, 0.005, so very low, and the minimum 0.001. So not very high for the normal. The priority withdrawal is something that gets faster and usually has a bit of a higher fee, but these are actually apparently the same for both. And that's for Faucet Pay. Also been around for quite some time, kind of have taken the title as the Faucet Hub, kind of grumbled as an enterprise. Now next up we have Coinpay. This is also kind of simple faucet that supports multiple different coins. I think these are direct withdrawals also into Faucet Pay, or there might be direct withdrawals to your wallet. There is an affiliate program also as well. I don't know what is the percentage of that. And this faucet is something that you can like grind every 60 minutes. So there's like a timer here, how often. So 40 minutes ago I was testing it out, and that's how much Solana I got per click. It's not like a lot, but then again, it's just a one click, and there wasn't like multitude of ads here like with others. There's also offers here in case you want to add them and make money a bit more if you don't like actual thing. And then there's the advertising thing. Just a reminder, what I mentioned in a lot of these faucet videos is that sometimes you just want to grind the points and use the points to advertise your referral links to another faucet. And that's where usually you're going to be making the most amount of money, FYI. So that's something you want to really think about when you're going to be, you know, have a faucet which has an advertising program in it. Then we have Faucet Crypto. I have shilled this many times, but for some reason they resetted my whole account. I was like level 1000. I had like, goddammit, 3,000 referrals here, and now I'm back to 0. But maybe it was a mistake, or maybe they wanted to steal my money. But they have paid until that event. They always paid me. So and they always have pretty good rates for their platform. They have PTC ads, surveys, afterwall, short links, and challenges. So once you level up on the platform, you get different types of bonuses. Okay, I don't know why I got directed here. And withdrawals can be done on multiple different currencies. They support quite many, and Solana was recently added here as well, and currently is filled. But it's in maintenance, but I think there's some issues on Solana right now, or has been for a couple of days. But that is pretty much my top 5 Solana faucets there. As always, stay tuned by subscribing. Make sure you give a like. If you want to have a specific new wallet top 5 list, let me know. Kind of working on Algorand, but hard to find 5 faucets for it. But I will be seeing you guys next time, and take care. If you have any questions, leave them on the comments. Cheers.